What's up, Shadow Twerkers? It's Simone, and I am back with another bi-weekly video. And we live, so I decided to just finish the rest of these bi-weekly videos live. So what's up, Gemini? How you doing? If you're new to the channel, my name is Simone, and here we're creating tarot videos, affirmation videos, meditation videos, and meditation music. So if you're interested in any of those things, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Okay. So let's go ahead and get started with your reading. Let's see what's up with, oh my god. Oh wow, Secret Admirer. Hold on, let me make sure that's the only card that came out. Oh yeah, it is. Wow, Secret Admirer. So either you're secretly watching someone or someone's secretly watching you, or you're secretly admiring something. Too many cards. I keep hearing shh, shh, and then bugaboo. Bugaboo. So somebody is getting on your nerves. You see that? This guy is so disrespectful. But I feel like I hear somebody talking and then you just being like shh. You know what I'm saying? Like that's what I'm feeling, I'm hearing. So something is annoying you, Gemini, or maybe you're annoying someone. I feel like somebody's talking too much, or they're saying too much. There's too many cards. I feel like you love them, but you just like this. Just shut up. I'm hearing shut up. Yikes. Okay, I'm trying to make sure that was the only card that like flipped over where these were. Dang, I thought it was two. They're starting to stick together. I'm gonna have to make some new cards because I don't like that these are sticking together. But I'm gonna just take all three. We have Give Back, 12 hours. This showed up in the daily reading too, if I'm not mistaken, and Investors. Give Back, 12 hours, and Investors. And then at the bottom of the deck, In the Moment. I don't know why I'm feeling like these are like two separate energies, like the Secret Admirer and Bugaboo. Give Back, 12 hours, and Investors. I'm feeling like Gemini, you making a business deal, or you're trying to set up like a business deal or something pertaining to business with these money cards. But someone that you love, someone or something that you love is distracting you or annoying you or kind of in your way, or maybe saying too much or talking too much, or this is you. But I feel like these investors are wanting to give back, or you are this investor that's wanting to give back, but something is happening quickly, or something takes 12 hours. Let's see. Wow, I was about to say, so the King of Swords just literally flipped out. And I'm gonna take it for Secret Admirer because I feel like somebody is communicating for sure, and they're wanting to communicate clearly. So it may be loud. Like, I don't know, you may be in a room or a situation where something is loud, or someone again is talking. Wow, 3 of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. So you are in this situation where you're trying to conduct business, or you're trying to be serious. It doesn't even have to be business, but like a serious situation. And then there may be a group of people or like a person that's just talking and they're annoying you, and you're like, what the fuck? Like, shut up. Like, first it's like, you know, you try to be nice and you're like, please be quiet, or like shh, and then you just go to shut the fuck up. Like, well, that's kind of how I do it. But some people have more levels, you know, in between, or, you know, fewer. Everybody's different. But basically being annoyed by this person in the audience, in the crowd, and I don't know, in this group setting, because it's with investors, and then this group of people coming out. I'm definitely feeling like it's a group. So you may be with like your like circle of friends, or you may be again in like a business situation. You could be, I don't know, if you have multiple lovers, you could have your lovers together or your family together. Like whatever this group is for you, someone or the group is annoying. Oh wow. And then yeah, Seven of Swords. So they may be communicating obviously destructively, or not contributing to the conversation, or just blowing shit up, literally. Like, I just feel like this person just does not have anything good to say, and there's someone, either you or someone is this King of Swords energy where they're just secretly kind of watching. And then again, I just keep hearing shh, shh, like, and I know it's because of this guy, but like usually when I get this card, I don't hear the shh, and I'm hearing the shush. So I literally hear somebody shushing someone. Like, I feel like if you were this King of Swords, you're shushing someone, or you're telling someone to be quiet, or you're like, I feel like somebody's charging in and blowing shit up with the things that they're saying. So you may be hearing someone annoying. I don't know. Let's pull some cards on Bugaboo. Let's just figure this out, because I definitely hear the shushing. I hear like communication, like a group, like conversation. And it's annoying. Like, it's just like, what the fuck? Like, please be quiet. Like, please be quiet. I feel like someone is trying to hear something, or trying to again, communicate clearly. But either you or people around you, or someone around you, is being real disrespectful. Wow. Fucking the devil flew out, and then the Nine of Cups reversed. So yeah, you're really unhappy about this person, place, or thing, or this group of people that are basically just kind of giving into their shadow side. Like, they're just being rude, they're being annoying, they're talking too much, they're acting in their vices. So like, they could be doing whatever, but then the Ten of Pentacles is at the bottom of the deck. So it's definitely pertaining to money and legacy and wealth. But I feel like this person, place, or thing is like in the way of balancing a situation. Like, I feel like this King of Swords is trying to balance something. King of Swords is, again, like, well, not again, I don't think I said it, but Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy, air energy, or someone who's communicating, or someone embodying this energy. It doesn't have to be an air sign, but something is literally in the way of this legacy and balancing a situation out, like something working out for the best. And then there's this need, or this desire, this big ass desire to just let this shit go. And I feel like you decide to, but it makes you unhappy. Wow. So I feel like if you don't speak up, like if you remain a secret admirer and you don't speak up, you're not going to get to this give back 12 hours investors. Matter of fact, I'm going to pull some cards on that. But I really feel like this is literally in the middle of the reading. And it's like this King of Swords is in between this King of Swords and what I know is this Ten of Pentacles energy. Because investors give back. Why would you want to stand in the way of that? Like, who is this? Who is this? This person doesn't need to be here. Like fuck you, for real. Because I feel like, excuse me, again, they're in. Look at this, Temperance, and then the Ten of Pentacles. You see all them coins? You see all them coins? And then this guy, this nigga, like. Breathe, secret admirer, King of Swords. Breathe. Because what? Like, it's almost making me mad. like almost, because it's like, why would you want to stop this energy? Because without even pulling any cards on this, just listen to that. Give back. Investors give back. Either way. And then 12 hours, I don't know about y'all, but time be fucking flying for me, and 12 hours is nothing. That shit is like, you know what I'm saying? So something, this money energy is wanting to come in 12 hours, or like, you know what I'm saying? Like, fuck this person. Okay, that's too many cards. Give back, 12 hours, and investors. Ooh, wow. This is a lot, and I'm not taking all of it, but definitely feel like there's a lot to be had in this situation, or there's a lot to gain. I feel like it's a win-win, but something is really in the way. Dang, like I really feel like it's a lot. Like chunks of fucking cards. Like look at this. Chunks of cards are wanting to come out. Like all of this wanted to come out. I'm like, hell no. We're gonna keep it short and sweet. But somebody about to get on my nerves. Again, I feel like somebody is doing something a lot. They could be talking a lot. They could be moving a lot. They could be fucking chewing a lot. Strength. Give me strength, because that's what's coming out. And I'm gonna have to pull another card, because I feel like it's gonna take some strength to get to this situation, to get to boom. I don't even have to. Never mind. It's at the bottom of the deck. Thank you for that short and sweet, because it's definitely gonna take some strength to get through these unhappy fucking haters, these people in the audience, these people that are just in the background. I feel like these are background people, literally, that are trying to do the fucking most, that are just being annoying in a situation where people are trying to be serious, or people are trying to learn, or people are trying to gain, or to express something. There's this group of people, or this person, that is fucking that up, and it's taking some strength, some inner strength, some outer strength, some courage, and some bravery to stand up to this person, place, or thing, and to get through this energy, because it's too much on the line for this person or these people to be acting like they fucking stupid. Okay, your dreams are on the line. Think of it that way. Like, either you be brave and you deal with this shit, you say something, you stop shushing them, you tell them to shut the fuck up, in, you know, the most professional way. You decide what that looks like for you, but your dreams are coming true. Like, they're in the way of your dreams, and it's either you do this or you have to walk away from it. And I feel like you're walking away. We have the 8 of Cups, 8 of Pentacles reversed. I feel like you got two choices, is what this feels like to me. You can either have the inner strength, inner bravery, and inner courage to get through whatever this energy, I'm not even going to say to say something or to not say something, because you do have two choices, and that looks differently for everybody. But what I am going to say is, you need to get through this energy. You need, whatever it is that's annoying you or stopping you or blocking you, it's taking you some strength, some inner, whether it's inner strength or outer strength, in the sense of bravery, courage, and then inner strength in the sense that having that strength to not say something, to not move, to not do something. And you know what I'm saying? So it's that inward or outward strength to get to these investors in order to have this dream connection, this dream job, this dream money flow situation, this dream spouse, whatever this dream is for you, getting through this energy to do it. And whether that's not working or moving on, or standing up and being tall, being big, and saying something or doing something, is up to you. But I feel like this is where it's at right now. Like, it's gotten you to this point where it's it's like, what are you doing? Like you're killing the vibe. You're killing the situation. You're killing this idea. You're killing this possibility, this dream, and completing a cycle or starting a new one. So, yeah, let's pull some advice for you, Gemini. This person, man, fuck them. Fuck them. Because why are you so hateful? Like, get your shit together. Forgive. Let this shit go. Let this shit go. And then all I can see is like the demon in somebody rising up. Like, let it go? What? How can I? Well, that's a different story. So let's get some advice for Gemini. How many cards is this? 3. I want to take 3 cards. Oh my God. What is this? Wow. Be bold and make the first move. So it is that outer strength. It is that bravery, like that courage to really stand up and to say something to somebody. Like, stop shushing them. Tell them shut the fuck up. in your own way, Gemini. In your own way. But yeah, let's get one more card of advice for Gemini. Sun, Moon, Rising. Here we go. Wow, what the fuck did I say? Have faith in your dreams. The star is the dream. The fucking dream. Have faith in your dreams. Be bold and make the first move. You know what to do, Gemini. Nothing will come of this situation. Like, literally, I know y'all saw all this darkness. Y'all see the black in this card, this devil card, and then the black in our 10 of swords. What this shit leads to if you don't make this move, if you don't do what you know, what you're feeling to do, nothing will come of the situation. If you keep shushing them, obviously shushing them is not working. Okay? So if you level up to, okay, excuse me, be quiet. And then they still blah, blah, blah. And this obviously looks different for everybody. But what I'm saying is, you try one thing, that don't work. Try something else, that don't work. But you keep going until you get through this energy, or you get this energy out of the way so that you can get to this dream. So, yeah, that is what I have for you for the next 2 weeks, Gemini. If you've enjoyed this reading, please make sure to like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And yeah, if you need a personal information for that is in the description box below. So until next time, you are truly legendary. I love you, and I will see you later.